I understand that feeling of looking in the mirror first thing and not quite recognizing the puffy, tired face staring back. But what if I told you that morning swelling is your body's alarm bell for a silent hormonal storm? This phenomenon, often called cortisol face, isn't a formal medical diagnosis, but a very real temporary state of facial puffiness linked directly to your body's primary stress hormone. So, how does stress translate to a puffy face? When you experience chronic stress or poor sleep, your adrenal glands release excess cortisol. As medical experts at institutions like the Cleveland Clinic explain, elevated cortisol disrupts your body's delicate salt and water balance, causing it to retain fluid in soft tissues, most noticeably in the face. For women, this effect can be amplified by natural hormonal fluctuations during the menstrual cycle or perimenopause, making us more sensitive to cortisol's impact. For immediate, temporary relief, we can turn to a 5-minute morning ritual that focuses on lymphatic drainage. Your lymphatic system is like your body's waste disposal network, but unlike your circulatory system, it has no central pump. It relies on muscle contraction and external pressure to move fluid along. Using a facial tool with gentle upward strokes provides that necessary mechanical push to clear away the fluid that has pooled overnight. It is crucial, however, to distinguish this temporary puffiness from a more serious medical condition. Cortisol face is transient. A condition like Cushing syndrome, caused by prolonged exposure to very high cortisol from steroid medication or adrenal issues, presents differently. Key signs include a persistently round, red face, accompanied by thinning skin, easy bruising, and stretch marks on the body. If your facial swelling is constant for over 2 weeks or comes with these other symptoms, an endocrinologist can perform tests to assess your cortisol levels and rule out underlying imbalances. The morning massage is a powerful tool, but it's like sweeping water off the floor without fixing the leak. The true, lasting solution lies in addressing the root causes: sleep and stress. Your body is designed to have cortisol peak in the morning to wake you up, then gradually fall throughout the day. Chronic stress and poor sleep disrupt this natural rhythm, keeping cortisol elevated. Aiming for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep is non-negotiable for hormonal regulation. Similarly, incorporating a daily 15-minute stress management practice, such as meditation or gentle yoga, signals to your body that it's safe to exit the fight or flight state, thereby down-regulating cortisol production. Now, let's build the architecture for lasting change, starting with your plate. What you eat, especially for your first meal, sets your hormonal tone for the entire day. The goal is to prevent blood sugar spikes, which trigger a cortisol surge. The first specific strategy is to implement a protein and fat-forward breakfast. Tomorrow morning, instead of toast or cereal, have 2 eggs cooked in a teaspoon of coconut oil with half an avocado. This provides roughly 15 grams of protein and healthy fats to create a slow, steady release of energy, keeping blood sugar and cortisol stable. The second strategy is to aggressively manage your sodium and sugar intake. Excess sodium directly causes water retention, while sugar fuels inflammation and hormonal chaos. Your actionable step is to eliminate processed foods with more than 200 milligrams of sodium per serving and remove all sugary drinks, including fruit juices, from your diet. Replace them with water infused with lemon and mint. These simple changes directly reduce the 2 primary dietary triggers for facial bloating. Finally, let's integrate a non-negotiable daily routine to fundamentally rewire your stress response. This is about creating predictable moments of calm that your nervous system can rely on. Your third and perhaps most powerful strategy is the cortisol sunset routine. Every evening, 1 hour before bed, you must disconnect from all screens. The blue light from phones and televisions directly suppresses melatonin and can keep cortisol elevated. During this hour, engage in a calming activity, reading a physical book, taking a warm bath with Epsom salts, or light stretching. crucially, incorporate 5 minutes of 4 to 7 to 8 breathing. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 7, and exhale slowly through your mouth for 8. This technique is a potent activator of the vagus nerve, which commands your body to rest and digest. For women navigating the hormonal shifts of perimenopause, where sleep can be elusive, this routine is foundational. It re-establishes a healthy circadian rhythm, lowers evening cortisol, and paves the way for the deep, restorative sleep your body needs to truly heal and depuff from within.